Thinking of transferring shares in a proprietary limited company? It may seem simple, but legal complexities, corporate restrictions, and tax implications make it anything but straightforward. Without proper compliance, you risk invalid transactions, disputes, and hefty penalties. Under Australian law, a share transfer isn't just a handshake. It requires a properly executed transfer form, company approval, and ASIC notification via Form 484. Many companies lack a constitution, relying instead on replaceable rules. But without one, share transfers can become complicated, leading to delays and legal risks. To transfer shares legally and efficiently, follow these steps. At TrustDeed, we handle ASIC Form 484 lodgements for just $165. And if your company doesn't have a constitution, you can get a professionally drafted one for the same price. Make your share transfers hassle-free and compliant.